Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and this is an 89 town car, guys. Less than 20,000 miles on this beauty, garage kept, and she is gorgeous. So give us a call at 248-974-9513 and we'll park this dream in your driveway. Now we're gonna get it up on the lift so you can check it out underneath. We're gonna pop the hood, take a look at the power plant. We're gonna look at the interior, inside the trunk. We will show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your Lincoln investment. So come on up and we'll fire it up for you right now. So check this beauty out, man. You can tell, look at the chrome. I love the gold grille in here. Now the car does have its original paint on it. There's a couple of scratches here, real fine, but she's looking beautiful. You can tell it was well kept throughout the years, kept indoors its entire life. It's got the original spoke wheels on it, good looking tires. They look like they're the original Tiger Paws also. You can see everything's lining up nice. Look at the reflections in the paint, looking great. And check out that interior. Absolutely beautiful in there. Again, super well kept throughout the years. Low mileage. Can you imagine this car sitting in somebody's garage being taken care of since 1989? It's a 4-door. Most of these cars were driven. We got a little discoloration here on the deck lid here. Get inside the trunk here. You can see inside the trunk, looks like we got a couple extra belts. You can see there's never been anything in the trunk. Looks like there's a car cover, it's custom cover. You can see all the paint work here looking good. I still see original paper tags on the parts. And that's amazing. That tells you that the car was never outdoors, never had to live outdoors. It's actually got one of those trunks that draw down, so you just close it, then it draws it down tight. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever, so that means we own this Lincoln. So you can bet we spent the time to check it out before we bought it. Then when they get in here to the shop, we inspect them so we can answer any questions you have. So call Tom at 248-974-9513. Now right now we've got about 220 cars in stock and we own every one of them. And we're buying between 40 and 50 new units every month, and I'm in charge of checking every one of those out. So I'm gonna help you pick out your dream. All right, here we go for a ride in our Lincoln. You want to talk about sweet? This baby is sweet. Look at the reflection on that hood. Man, ain't nothing better than a Lincoln, guys. This thing is driving like a dream. And at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship this baby anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will explain to you how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway no matter where you live in the world. If you need some help with financing, no problem whatsoever. Tom will explain that whole process to you too. We got about 3 different bankers we work with. They make the process real easy for you. They'll take care of all the paperwork. You don't need to do a thing except make that phone call. See how easy this thing is driving? We're showing 19,555 miles on the odometer. You see, driving itself, going straight down the road, hitting the brakes with no hands on the wheel. stopping nice and straight. Everything about it, man, sweet as can be. Now you can see down here on the dash, just it's all digital. Speedo's working, looking sweet, sounding good. Everything about the car is all stock, looking good, just like it came from the factory. Man, it's an amazing ride. It's got electric windows. It's actually a little cool today. I'm gonna roll these windows up. Got the Nestle cow guy here. Got the skinny cow. We better get out of his way. We don't get run over by a semi-truck here. Get around the corner here. And I'll tell you what, the Lincoln's got some get up and go. You can get into it about half throttle. She will get up and go. Now, you know what we're gonna do here next? We're gonna get this car up on the lift and we're gonna show you just how nice the bottom side is too. It's one of the most important things about these cars is you gotta get down on your hands and knees and check out the bottom sides of these cars. See how well kept they were through the years. This one was definitely well kept, and we're gonna show it to you. We're gonna put it up on the lift. We're gonna show you under the hood. Now we're close to the airport here at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. So stick with us. We're gonna get it up in the air for you right now. All right, we're underneath this 89 Lincoln now, and man, she's clean under here too. Look at that. Still got a tag on the exhaust system. Isn't that amazing? Everything under here is nice and clean. You can see very, very well kept throughout the years. Rear end housing, of course, everything's stock in there. I still got paper tags here and on the brake lines. All the bushings look good. Now, it does look like it's had a couple of brand new mufflers put on it. Mufflers probably just showed it some age from sitting since 1989, but all these pipes look to be original to the car. And look at these floorboards. Look how nice and clean that is. That's original primer there. You can still see original paint on the frame. Of course, it's got the 4-speed automatic transmission here. Catalytic converters are all stock. Brakes all stock. Everything about it. Look, more paper tags up here. Everything about this thing is beautiful, guys. You can see all the primer here. This is all original. Everything in here, nice and clean, just like it came from the factory. Just an amazing piece of history right here. Look how clean all that is. Isn't that amazing? Now, it does look like the tires are probably original to the car. So if this is something that you're gonna hold on to and not drive, I'd leave these tires on it. If you're planning on driving this car a lot, I would replace these tires and keep these tires as the original tires to the car. 215/70/15, and these are Uniroyal Tiger Paws. All the stainless here looks good. That pinch weld, absolutely beautiful, just like it would have came out of the factory. Out back here again, we got same good looking wires, and again, 215/70/15s. Everything is just beautiful, guys. Now let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we've got the 5-liter fuel injected power brakes, power steering, great looking wiring. It looks like all the original hoses. Everything under here is just like Henry Ford put it, man. It is beautiful. Still got paper tags here. Again, car was very, very well kept throughout the years. She is beautiful. Guys, call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.